First, let's take a look at the appearance and terminals of the ADW300 energy meter. Terminal 1 and 2 is port of power supply, port 1, connect L line, while port 2, connect N line. Terminal 11 and 12 and 13 and 14 is port of voltage input, port 11, connect UA, port 12, connect UB, port 13, connect UC, port 14, connect UN. Terminal 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 9 is port of current wiring, port 4 and 5 is IA in and out, port 6 and 7 is IB in and out, port 8 and 9 is IC in and out. This is the connection port of the 4G antenna. Now, we start the wiring of the upper terminal, the auxiliary power supply and the voltage input terminal. Then, we start the wiring of lower square terminal, mainly the connection of the incoming and outgoing wires of the ABC 3-phase current transformers.